Hello guys, this is ocean-going watchkeeping officer Özcan Kaplan from Turkey. This is my first English video and this is not AI video. I want to improve my English, so I decided to make this video. So, our topic is barometer. So, invention of the barometer, to how to use barometer on board. So, there is some key point about the using of the barometer. There is some knowledge about that, so I want to explain you guys all key points and how can we use correctly this barometer. The barometer was invented in the 17th century by Evangelist Turcali, an Italian scientist. Turcali developed the barometer to measure atmospheric pressure, which helps predict weather changes. First barometers were made by filling a tube with allowing the height of mercury to indicate pressure. Today, barometers are essential tools to assist weather forecasting on board. Yes, we already mentioned about the invention of the barometer just shortly. Just guys, I will not explain to you type of barometer, component of the barometer. There are many type of barometer and many specific knowledge about this one, so I will not explain this one. Just I will explain you, I will focus on just general view and how can we use on board. So for the barometer, we always keep watch and then we always record the value of this barometer. So a rise in pressure is a sign of good weather and northerly winds. A fall is a sign of bad or rainy weather and usually southerly winds. And sudden drop is a sign of storm. Above mentioned information is accessible for the northern hemisphere. For the southern hemisphere, just change the words north to south and south to north. Atmospheric pressure at sea level is considered to be 10-13 millibar. If we rise above sea level, the pressure decreases. Also, this 10-13 millibar was measured at 45 degrees latitude and 15 centigrade degree temperature. We can say that the weather gets worse at the low pressures below 10-13 millibar and gets better above it. As you know guys, we have barometer on board. Also we have correction table on board. Maybe some of you didn't see this table before, but really we have. So firstly, we have to learn how to use this correction table and why we use this correction table. As you know guys, we have to record real sea level pressure. For the obtain this value, we have to make calculation. All vessels bridge have unique value of high from the sea level to barometer area. Let's say 30 feet, 15 feet, 10 feet, like that. All this situation, we have to apply different correction. Just remember, if we rise, pressure falls, even if 1 meters. Yes, you can see the picture on the screen. For example, you are keeping watch and you want to record pressure, so you read the maybe 10-13, but you have to make calculation. Firstly, you have to know how many feet you are away from the sea level. So you have to get this information where, of course, vessels plan. After that, for example, let's say 30 feet. 30 feet equal to 9.1 meters. For the correction, just check guys, 1.1. You have to add 1.1 to your reading. For example, your reading 10-13, you have to add 1.1 and 10-14.1 is real atmospheric pressure at sea level. So this is important key my friends. Really important key. Let's make it clear, guys. Your height from sea level, 40 feet. Your reading from barometer is 1010. For obtain sea level pressure, 1010 plus 1.5, and finally 1011.5. This is real sea level pressure. Also, you have to always check your barometer instruction manual for correction table. Finally, of course, important thing is the weather for seafarer, not real value of the pressure. We can follow the weather situation with increasing and falling rate of the barometer. But, guys, as an officer, as a master, we have to know this knowledge. We have to know how to use this correction table, how to use barometer, how to get this information, and why we get this information. Last one, but gold one. Check the rate of fall or rise every hour and also over any 3-hour period. This is why you must maintain a regularly hourly log. If you observe pressure changing at 3 to 6 millibar in any 3 hours period, then pressure is changing quickly and you can expect a good deal of wind in the near future. Over 3 millibar per hour and you can certainly expect gales. Any change in pressure over 1 millibar per hour may indicate strong winds are on the way. I'm really appreciated for watching my video. I really hope that I will continue to contribute my knowledge to international maritime industry. So I hope that we will see each other again soon. Thanks a lot.